Hello, this is Mohammed Salim, and today I'm going to show you how to search for listings for the buyer. When you open the Realcomp screen, on this screen you click on Realcomp MLS listing. Okay? When you click that, you will see this screen. This is the main page. On top, it's different headings. You go to search, go to residential, and click. Okay. Now you see on this box, it has several status coming active. Here you collect active and coming. And at here you go for the price. You can search between 300,000 to 400,000. Here on the bottom, it says transaction type. You put for sale. And here you select the bedrooms. 3 plus. If you don't put 3 plus, it will only show you 3 bedrooms. If you put 3 plus, so anything 3 plus bedrooms will show up. Similarly, here you show 2.1 plus, means at least 2.5 bath. Okay. Year build, if you are interested or requested to show certain age, then you put here year build. Otherwise, you leave it blank. Year remodel, never do that because sometimes you'll miss the listings. You check each listing, and sometimes they have remodel year, or sometimes they don't. So don't do that. Finish above grade. If you're looking for any minimum requirement for 1,000 square feet or 1,500 or 2,000 square feet, let's say 2,000 plus. If you don't put the plus sign, you will only find 2,000 square feet. Okay. So on this, for a buyer, you only do coming soon, active, price range, transaction type, bedrooms, and bath. Don't worry about all these unless you have you need to have a basement. Then you put yes or no, or you leave it blank. Here comes the the area. For area, you select this and select the area, Farmington Hills, double click, no why, double click, West Bloomfield Township, double click, and you read as many area you want, or as many as your buyer wants, you just put it. The school district, subdivision, if you want, if there is any particular requirement, then you add school district and leave it open. Similarly, you can have several restrictions over here. You can do it by practice once you exterior, basement description, heating. These are all the selections if you want to do it. I would suggest just learn how to do the listings, and then you do practice on each by searching and find out what the difference makes. Okay. So once we do this, we selected the area, we selected the bedroom, we selected the status, sale and price. Here we result. So it will give you every house between 300 to 400,000 in West Bloomfield, Farmington. There is none in Novi, means that there is no house available in this price range in Novi. Okay, this is it. And if you want to send it to your buyer, You select here, or select all, or you can select few. So select all, then see here in the bottom, there is a icons, criteria, email, print, etc. You go to email and you put your buyer's name, buyer's email. Okay. Now, if you don't, when you enter few letters, it will show you some listing. I mean, some names here. And see, it shows some name. And if you don't know, or if the buyer is not in your contact list, you go here and create buyer. Okay. So let me cancel this. You can put the subject, whatever you like, houses in Farmington Hills. And you put your message here. Okay. Let's say message rating. Also that we can for the weekend. Okay. And you click here, send. Okay. So once you send, your email is gone. Let me see if I find the email here. Okay. We'll check the email later. So this is it. If you want to send this to the email, this is it. But if you want to save it as a what do you call it, auto email, then what you do is instead of sending email, you put down here save. Okay. You save it. And here you can save it as save search. And this is where you need to click auto email. Okay. Auto email. And then again here, you can select the name or you create a contact. Okay. Now here it says that, yeah, I already have an auto email, so it's not going to send me the initial welcome email. Okay. Otherwise, if this is the first one, they'll send the additional welcome emails. Okay. Here you put down the subject houses for your search or whatever you want to put down. And this subject will remain the same for every email that goes on new upcoming listings. Okay. This is the message. If you want to change it, I usually leave it same. Okay. And here, is setting. Reverse prospecting is that the other agents can search on your contacts if they match their listing, and then they can email you, okay? And enable a favorite search on home tabs. You don't need this. Concierge mode. Oh. Concierge mode is that when if there is any listing, it will email you instead of the buyer. It will email you that there is a house for your buyer. Then you look at the listing and then you select whatever listing you want to send them. I'll show you a concierge mode later. Let's see. Okay, the other is you send it on daily basis, or AM or PM, or you send it ASAP. So whenever a new listing comes up, they receive an email. If there are more than one listing in a day, they receive more than one email in a day. I always put it as ASAP. Okay. Now, once you save it, your listing is gone. It's already gone to the buyer. Okay. And every time there is a new listing, an email will come to you. Or email will come to you and to the buyer. Okay, let me see. Now I come back here. I did this AC concierge mode. I want to show you what is concierge mode. When you do the concierge mode, you go, it says go for the approvals. Okay. You go there. Okay, subject line is required. Testing search. Okay. Go to approval. And then you select the buyer. And then you go to approval. This is now this will give you the option to select which one you want to send. Now what you do is you look at the listing, you go through the listing details and see if this fits your buyer's requirement. Okay, then you click here, then you go next. Okay, this one the buyer doesn't need to see this. You move on, you click here, you move on, click here. So I have selected 3 listings. Now in the bottom it says approve, selected, or reject. Okay, so I say approve. So these 3 listings gone and the rest are left. Now you can again send them, or you can select all of them and you say reject. Okay, done. You're done. All the listings are gone. So we have done the auto email on concierge mode and ASAP. Okay. So this is how you do the email. Auto email. If you have any question, call me, or don't call me, text me or email me, and I can go through each of this. If you have any issue with the email or the system or the process, just let me know. Next, I'm going to show you the search for the seller, how to do the comps, and in the next video. Thank you.